In this video, I'm going to show you how to open or extract a RAR file on iPhone on iOS 17. So the first thing you want to do is head on over to the App Store and go to the search bar and type in RAR, opener, or extractor. Now, once you've done that, you'll see a number of different options. Personally, I like to use Unzip. It's free and it works, but you could also use something like Zip and RAR file extractor. Now, once you've downloaded Unzip, we're going to be opening it. And the only issue with these applications is sometimes you can get ads, but beyond that, it works great. So you want to press the plus button in the top right corner. And from here, we're going to select Files/iCloud Drive. Now, this will likely bring you to the location where you need to find your file, and if not, we can easily search a little bit through here. I know mine's in download, so I'm going to go there, and here's where the RAR file is. So I'm going to select surprise.rar, and now you want to go to the open button in the top right corner once you've selected it, and this is going to bring it up here under the files. Now, all you need to do to open or extract this RAR is simply select it, so press on it, and it'll say, do you want to extract these files? So we're going to go to OK. Once the RAR file is extracted, it'll be at the top and you can select it, and I have a picture of, can you guess what? Other than that, guys, I appreciate you all, and we'll see you in the next video.